mouth of Angel's Landing. Somewhere over there, we're gonna go. The temp is probably around 30. I think we're just above 30. It's a wee bit windy, but I think we're here. We go. And it's 5 miles and around 1,500 feet. How do you feel about that?
Can't wait.
Always gotta get a photo. The alternative hike would have been Narrows, which is through the water. That would have been chilly today.
You're right. Good guess.
Good guess. I saw the sign. Sun will be soon. We already got sniffles. 3 minutes in. Cute. Along that ridgeline, walking up switchbacks. They stop like right there. And I don't know where they go next. It looks like a sheer cliff. Quick little pit stop. Lost a layer. Parents finally caught up. Now to the switchbacks. Let's go. This, ladies and gentlemen, is our first switchback. We go switch and then back. Crazy. There's the parents. It's super cool because we kind of transitioned to like in the forest hike in the canyon. There's like an endangered owl species, and no playing music out loud, and you must be quiet. So quiet, but super cool actually, because you got switchbacks, you got flat, you got this. That doesn't look as cool on this. Quick wardrobe swap. Got hot. Switchbacks all the way up. We made it to the top of the switchbacks. There's some ice starting too. Sketchy. All right, we're officially starting the half-mile strip, heading up to the top. This chain can hold a bus, right, Rachel? I think it's just this kind of sidewalk around to, oh, nope, there's more chains. Oh. But we're pretty dang close. I think the dead tree up there is like the end-ish. Oh yeah, check it out. People hung up there. Wildly mistaken. Dead tree is like maybe halfway. It goes up there. Even more sketchy, which is perfect. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Super cool. Right down there is our humble beginnings. And there's snow. Welcome, Minnesota. I feel right at home. getting chillier. So awesome. Almost to the Banger View. A little stopping point here. Water break, rest break. A little bit further. Perfect weather for it too. Unless we get deceived again. So I mean, this is it.
What was you saying?
Oh, no, not behind me, this way. Early in the morning, I bet it looks super dope. It's still really cool. There's a little jut out here where you can go a bit farther. Well, this is it right here. Us in this tree.
That's what we came for.
That's what we came for, was this guy. This is the official tip, right, Rach? Just a little bit extra block to this end. We're gonna descend, see if we can find the parents. But got some cool pictures, because that's what, you know, no picture didn't happen, no gram, right? Carve up. Okay, we found the parents, but they want to get a picture back at the top, so Rich and I are headed back up. Didn't get too far down.